Imagine being trapped in a never-ending buffet, surrounded by endless rows of food. At first, you indulge, savoring every bite. But soon, you feel a different kind of hunger. One that's never truly satisfied, no matter how much you consume. You keep eating, hoping the next plate will finally fill that void, but it never does. You just keep going back for more, even when your stomach is full. What if that buffet wasn't food, but something far more consuming, something that preys on your mind, your soul, your very sense of self? That's what porn addiction is like, a relentless feast that leaves you empty and unsatisfied. This video isn't just about recognizing the problem, it's about breaking free from that addiction. We'll explore the truth behind this destructive cycle and, more importantly, how to escape from it. Stay with me until the end, and I promise you'll walk away with the tools and the mindset to reclaim your life, inshallah. Porn is like that buffet. Just as your eyes are drawn to the endless options at a restaurant, they hunger for the stimuli that porn provides. You think you'll be satisfied with just one glance, one scene, but it never stops there. You're hooked, compelled to watch more, and the cycle begins again. How many times have you told yourself that this is the last time? You promised to quit, but days later, you're back, looking for another video, chasing the same fleeting satisfaction. You set deadlines, just 4 more days and I'm done. But the cravings return before the time is up, and once again, you're caught in the trap. But here's the key. The cycle can be broken. But how? It starts with awareness and a commitment to change. And yes, it's tough. But remember, nothing worth having comes easy. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, Allah reminds us of what it takes to succeed. That is, humility in prayer, turning away from ill speech, and guarding our private parts. He emphasizes this point 3 times, showing the gravity of staying away from obscenity. This isn't just about avoiding a sin, it's about succeeding in life, in this world and the next. So how do you fight this? You have to keep yourself busy in something, always make yourself working on something important. Use this energy in something which give benefits in this world or hereafter, like playing any sports which boosts your health or exercising, or any meaningful projects. The more you engage in these activities, the less time you have for the addiction and the less you will fall in this trap. Consider the story of those who broke free by immersing themselves in business or other productive endeavors. They became so engrossed in their work that they simply didn't have time for destructive habits. It's not just about removing a negative habit, it's about replacing it with something positive. So, how to apply it? First, make a plan, create a to-do list, surround yourself with positive reminders. Like the powerful phrase, Allah is always watching. Place it where you can see it, on your laptop, your wall, wherever you need it most. It's a constant reminder of the path you want to stay on. If the urge strikes, don't give up. Use that energy into something good. Exercise, visit a friend, go to the masjid, or read the Quran. Remember, an empty mind is the devil's workshop. Fill your life with purpose, and the addiction will lose its grip. You have the power to break free yourself. It's not easy, but every step you take brings you closer to the life you deserve. Stay strong, stay committed, and remember, Allah is always watching you and all of us. Allah is guiding you towards success. Keep going, and you'll find the freedom you seek. May Allah guide us to the right path and overcome this addiction. Ameen. Make sure to subscribe to never miss any valuable Islamic videos in future. If you want to increase your tawakkul in Allah, then watch this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.